Welcome to another episode of Sean
and Tony
Do Science. On this week's episode, we're gonna microwave things.
Why not? What could happen?
What could happen? And we have Leah Grace over here. She is our fire extinguisher person.
Leah Grace, you know how to do that, right?
No, I don't know.
She'll learn.
By the time we need it, you'll know what to do.
She can barely lift it. It's okay. Item number 1, Pop Star Barbie. What do you think happened? Did it catch fire in 5 seconds?
Or the timer go off and nothing happened at all.
Hand on your head.
Hands on your hip. I have not seen the Barbie movie.
I haven't seen the Barbie movie either.
I've seen clips.
Oppenheimer.
I've not. Well, yeah, I think those are two different
But they really,
audiences,
well, I'm
probably.
just saying they were like a thing at the same time.
Sure, yeah. I
Both
mean,
came up.
let's see what happens.
How much time are you putting on that?
5.
5 seconds?
5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Tony,
How long?
right here.
Just 5 minutes?
Oh, it's already
Oh,
smoking.
it's already smoking.
Does someone know how to use this?
LG.
I gotta see what's happening to know if it's like on fire. Oh, it's on fire.
Shut up.
Turn it off.
I think we're fine. Her clothes. It was her clothes. The
Her
clothes caught
on
fire.
Item number 2, a tube of toothpaste. Your options are, do you think it pops?
Does it melt?
Hand on your head.
Hands on your hip. I've had 2 cavities.
I've had a bunch, like 3, 4 maybe in my whole life.
4's a lot.
No.
I feel like 4's a lot.
I've known someone that got 4 cavities in one visit. Let's find out what happens. I think it popped.
It smells minty. It did
Oh,
explode.
it popped.
Who did that?
Item number 3, a candle. What do you think happened? Put your hand on your head if you think it melted.
Hand on your hip if it did nothing. What scent was the candle?
The candles that I made?
No, the candle that's in here.
No scent.
You bought an unscented candle.
Yeah, it was the cheapest option. What will happen?
Let's find out.
Here we go.
Oh, I already heard exploding.
Oh, unplug it.
Oh, it's not on fire yet.
It was. There was flame. Or maybe it's what's on the plate that's catching fire. Like it's the.
Go again.
I think it's just gonna melt.
I think it's just gonna melt. It was definitely the Barbie clothes from before that were on fire.
No, it's doing nothing. Boring.
Item number 4, a watermelon. Absolutely nothing.
Something?
Put your hand on your head.
Hand on your hip. What is your favorite watermelon flavored item?
Bubblicious watermelon. You know what I'm talking about?
the
It's
gum.
green on the outside
Yeah.
and it's got the red in the middle.
It doesn't taste anything like watermelon, that thing? Well, it's a large one.
It's a big guy.
It's cooking from the inside, right? That's what a microwave does?
This could take years.
Years?
6 months later.
No kidding.
What a dumb bit.
Yeah.
Well, but I think you gotta go.
It's sizzling.
It did sizzle.
It's steaming up in there.
Steaming up in there. All right. Time's up. Survey says. It smells like
Smells funny.
toothpaste and a Barbie and a candle unscented. Results are in.
Something happened. You got a little wrinkly.
Oh, you're juicing it. It's like a pimple.
It kind of like it popped up.
I would say.
Item number 5, a lighter. You ready, LG?
Fire extinguisher on standby.
Are there instructions on it somewhere?
You just rip it and go for it.
Point and shoot, LG. Point,
Point
and
and
shoot.
shoot. You're from the South. You should know point and shoot.
It comes out of here.
But which?
What do you think's gonna happen? Just a small little flame.
Firebomb.
Hands on your head.
Hands on your hip.
What's the hottest place you've ever been to?
Africa.
Africa's pretty hot. Been there too.
Where you've been all over the place. You know, India.
Cambodia. See what happens.
Are you standing it up?
Yeah.
I was trying not to knock over.
You ready? Be ready on that. I'll tell you what
I'm gonna
happens.
stay next to this. I hear sizzling. I think this is gonna explode. Oh. I think it melted. It looks like it's very low. I don't want to do this for more than 5 minutes.
Yeah. No, I think we. Oh, okay. Open it up. Blow. Okay.
It's gonna fall. Don't let it fall. It's gonna fall.
No, there's not any oxygen in there, so it'll stop. There's no oxygen in it, so it'll stop. Tony! Oh my gosh! A fireball! Oh my god! Ah!
Here's it.
This cartoon! Cartoony!
I was in survival mode.
I was about to tell you not to blow.
Why didn't you say anything?
Trying, I was frozen.
Go ahead.
Just.
Final results. What was it, Tony?
Terror. Firebomb.
Firebomb. We created a firebomb.
But it's still intact.
Kids, do not try this at home.
When you don't do it.
Don't play with microwaves at all.
It's a terrible
Don't
idea.
use a microwave unless your mom and dad are around, even for food. Thank you for joining us for Sean and Tony Do Science. Join us next time.
I'll learn how to use this before next time. I'll do better, I promise.
Yeah.
I needed to hear that.
Thank
Thank you.